Hello everyone, please subscribe to my channel. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much, and to those that are yet to subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe. This is Mary's Lifestyle TV. You're welcome once again, and remember to share, like and subscribe. Yes, we are still on the shop journey. As you can see, I'm lovely dressed with the boob tube, and the lady here is also dressed with the boob tube as well, and she gave me that lovely rose flowers, which I really appreciate. So she came and she loves it, and she said, oh, why don't you dress like this and take a picture too? It's gorgeous. I said, okay, since you're challenging me, I'm going to do it. So that's how I got myself into wearing what I'm wearing. Meanwhile, we have lots of these boob tubes, and it's something that anyone can wear. If you don't want to wear exactly the way I'm wearing, you can always put a jacket over it and you're good to go. So here I have my dress, overall dress with a very long cape, and I tie my girl as usual. And then I have my white and black strap dress. This dress has a lovely slit at the arm and also a slit at the bottom on both sides, so it's something that you can wear during summer and also wear for any social event and church, and I'm loving it with my headband as well. This is still the same dress, you know. Sometimes on Sunday I just feel like I should take pictures, and I'm going to take you through almost all my collections and my few moments of joy and everything. So please follow me as much as you can. Subscribe to my channel, like and share. This is me as Mama Africa. In fact, those necklaces, I have them for sale as well, and this one we still have them. We have new one in stock, so it's gorgeous, and it's something that you could wear, you know, if you're going for African social event. All you need is this necklace. I'm going to put them up on the website. I'm sure we run out of some, so I'm going to still put them back on the website for you to buy. We ship them wherever, all over the world. I was being sassy here. I'm going to take a walk. Yes, as you're moving, watch your step, Mary. Don't fall. Okay, that's nice. So this is a gorgeous one. I just wanted you guys to see how the dress looks like, and I hope you love it. You can send me fabric, or I still have this fabric. I can make them for you as well. This is lovely. I love it. So I'm not going to talk much, but I'll just be saying whatever when necessary. So this is a necklace that will be made from fabric as well. This is quite not heavy as it looks, but it's quite nice to wear. And then we still have the scrunchies and the headbands and everything that you could think of. You know, we have them in the online now, and you can give me a call. I'll send them to you. Then we have the head wraps. This head wraps is 22 by 52, and we have some for 22 by 70 inches length. So whichever one you prefer, just send me a call. I will ship them to you. Then we have the gorgeous skirt. This is not just the only two that we have, of course. We have lots of them. So inbox me, call me, and check on the website, and you'll see a lot of them. We have fabrics as well. I'm going to be putting up the fabric so as for you to buy. This is one of the necklaces. As you can see, I'm wearing a kind of sweater here, and I have the necklace, and it's gorgeous. We have lovely ones. And Mary, don't forget, you didn't forget your flower, so that flower looks nice as well. The necklace is gorgeous. So it's affordable, it's stylish, it's elegant. Just add that statement to your wardrobe, you wouldn't go wrong. There's another, you know, smaller one, very light, not heavy, you know. And then this one is made from buttons. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, keep dancing. Yes, looking gorgeous. I love it. I love the necklace. We have different colors, so all you need to do, send me a call, as I usually say, text me, and you can buy them just like click away. Yeah, we ship all over the world. I love it. just as hot as the summer. This is summery. This is looking gorgeous. I love the fan. Oh Lord. Oh Lord bless you, Mary. This is hot as the summer. Yeah, we have the fan. Let me take you through on how it looks generally. Voila. Yes. Aha. Aha. Lovely. Again, text me, inbox me. We have them. Lovely ones. Another one I'm going to be showing you now is this summer straw hat with elastic, and it's folded. You can open, you can fold it, and then it's also embellished with African fabric at the edge. So this is a very wide beam, and I love the wider the beam, the better for me. This is gorgeous. Everyone should have this summer. You should have this. When you're done, you can always fold it and store it away. This is gorgeous. I love what I'm wearing. This is magnific. This is magnific. Bravo, bravo, Mary, bravo. Oh, we have a jacket as well. I was in a very good mood, you know. I was celebrating, you know. I love my jacket. I just said I should share this moment with you guys. I hope you love my collection. Please visit me at my website. Give me a call, you know, like what we are selling, and subscribe. I'm wearing one of the Bustier. As you can see, that Bustier is 2-in-1. If you buy one, you get one free. So it's reversible with Velcro. So you buy one, you get one free. And then the necklace, the girl, as you can see. Yeah, time to dance. This is a cape kind of blouse with a belt. This one is a freestyle for anyone, you know, whether you're big, you're small, tall, or whatever. So it's really nice. You can wear it as a cape, and you can wear it as a top. So I just thought I should show you how it looks like. That is how it is. So if you leave it like that, it's going to be flowing. You can wear with the pants, with the skirt. Thank you guys. I hope you love what you're seeing. If you like my tutorial, please kindly subscribe, like, and share, and also give me thumbs up and click on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my tutorial. Thank you so much for staying by, and looking forward to seeing you again. God bless.